Hey, what's up guys, it's Chase, and I'm sitting here at the airport and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to finally test the Apple Vision Pro on a flight. Pretty excited about it because I have a lot of work to do and I want to see if it can actually power my life on a plane. Let's check it out. Okay, we got all set up. I have my Apple Vision Pro on. I'm in my seat. No one's sitting next to me yet. This is pretty embarrassing, but we're gonna make it work.
I did a quick test of my mouse and keyboard on my tray table and was very satisfied, but I had to put them away before takeoff. As you can see, my knees are almost touching the seat in front of me, so going into an immersive experience is going to be very welcome by the time I'm in the air. Going into immersion, no hype, was incredible. When I went onto the beach scene, I almost forgot that I was on a plane. The sounds of the waves crashing around me made me feel more at peace and less anxiety of being crammed in that little tiny seat. Connecting to the internet was a breeze, and in a matter of moments, I was on the internet and was reviewing a video I published a few days before. I decided to turn immersion off because I didn't want to miss a free drink from the flight attendant, and notice I got a LinkedIn message from my friend Garo. I met him a few days earlier at ETH Denver, and I decided it'd be a great opportunity to reconnect and show him that I gave him a shout out in my most previous YouTube video. So I decided to go on X, copy the link, paste it into my message, and it was a breeze because the Apple Vision Pro makes it so easy to seamlessly switch between apps. I also thought it'd be a great opportunity to catch up on my friend Ken Rakowski's newsletter, and let me tell you, this guy is putting out fire updates on the things he's seeing across the planet. In his newsletter, he made a recommendation for a book called A Case Against Reality that caught my interest, so I quickly logged on Amazon to pick it up on Kindle. When cruising through my emails, I also saw that my colleague Michelle asked if it was possible if I could make an AI assistant that would help her write her emails to target clients more efficiently. I thought it was a great idea, so I started pre-planning how I could do that. Wanting to test the capabilities of Vision Pro further, I decided to log on to Figma and start designing a mock portfolio website, and it handled it flawlessly. Lastly, one of Apple Vision Pro's best features is watching movies. So why not do that while on a plane, right? So I decided to catch up on a movie I missed in theaters called Air, and let me tell you, that was 2 hours well worth it. That movie is fantastic, and Apple Vision Pro made me feel like I was in a movie theater type experience. So, feedback. How is Apple Vision Pro on a plane? The short answer is it's incredible, but there are some drawbacks. To be honest, you don't want to be flailing your arms around, and I'm glad that I brought a mouse and a keyboard to help manage that process, but a tray table still is kind of small. And lastly, the battery life really isn't that great. As you know, Apple Vision Pro only gets 2 hours, so you need to bring something like an Anker battery, which I happen to have on me, to ensure that you can use it the entire time.
Okay, it's time to get back to reality, and besides, I'm at the lake with my parents. It's time to go fishing, have a great time, get out of virtual reality and back into the real world. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on Elevate TV. Peace.